What's up, you guys? Garrett back at you guys again with part 2 of my Amazon FBA Beginner Guide series. Today, the topic we are going to be covering is the business model called retail arbitrage. Retail arbitrage is by far the most friendly, beginner-friendly way for anyone to get started on Amazon. Reason being is because it doesn't require a lot of capital. A lot of these stores and products are accessible to really anyone, and it really doesn't take much kind of navigation and business savviness to actually get started in making money. So essentially how this process works, retail arbitrage is the art of going to stores like Walmart, Target, maybe your grocery stores, Kohl's, JCPenney's, and finding products at a discount and finding the arbitrage to where, hey, I can buy this product at Walmart for 10 bucks, I can sell it on Amazon for 25, and after fees and shipping, I can profit 5 bucks. And basically you just take that model and do it over and over and over again. Some downfalls to it is, yes, you're gonna have to get out there and you're gonna have to go shopping, but it's a great way to get your feet wet in the Amazon space. You can make a lot of money doing it, especially if you're, a good shopper. You know how to use coupons effectively. You're great at spotting deals. There's a few websites I'll mention that'll help you guys find deals. And it's really just a great way. You have $300-400 bucks, get out there and start getting some experience. So I'm gonna break down, how this process works. So first off, you're gonna have to have an Amazon sellers account, and you're gonna want to download the Amazon sellers app. So if you're low on money, don't worry. The app's free. It doesn't cost any money. So this is really all you need to get your foot in the door and start, getting out there and making some money. So I have this product here as an example. It's a pack of light bulbs. I kind of want to show you the process of how this works when you're in the store. So let's say we go to Walmart, we're looking at the clearance aisle and we find these light bulbs, right? We're going to want to take out our iPhone, open up the Amazon sellers app. We're going to tap the little camera in the right-hand corner. And what that's going to do is it's going to put this camera up, and you can actually scan each and every barcode, right? So what this is gonna do, it's gonna pull up a product. I'm gonna put screenshots for you guys up right here, and it's gonna pull up the product, right? Now what you guys need to know is when you're first starting, you're not gonna be ungated in big brands like Mattel, Nerf, Nike, things like that. You're gonna have to find brands that are smaller brands that Amazon is letting you guys sell. So first we wanna check on this app to make sure we are ungated and able to sell this item. Once we've identified that we're allowed to sell this item, we have a calculator here. We're gonna click here on FBA, and we're gonna type in the price of this product, and let's estimate that it's gonna cost about $1 to send in. Let's say we purchase this for 5 bucks, it's gonna cost $1 to ship in. We're selling it for 20 bucks, and our profit, we can see that there's profit margin to be made here on the app. So essentially, you're gonna wanna take that kind of methodology, take out your seller's app, scan a bunch of products, find some profitable products, put them in your cart, go and purchase them. And just know, this isn't just super easy. You're gonna go into stores. Some stores you might not find anything. Some stores you might find a ton of great merchandise. But just know, as long as you're consistent, you go out quite often, you scan a bunch of products, you're eventually gonna start learning more and more where to go, where not to go, which spots of the store to avoid, which spots of the store usually have a lot of profitable products. And you're just gonna really gain that learning experience and seeing which brand should I sell, which categories, and you're gonna start building that knowledge as you're out in the field. So we've scanned a bunch of products, we've taken them home. What do we do now? Essentially, what we have to do is we have to list these products in our Amazon Seller Central. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna be generating what's called an Amazon product label. These labels are what you're gonna place over the barcode. You can either print them out yourself or you can pay Amazon to do it for you. It's quite expensive on Amazon. So as long as you have a printer, you can order sheets of labels and you can just print them out yourself. But if you don't have a printer, you don't have any of that stuff, and you're on a super low budget, just know you can pay Amazon about 30 cents to label all your products for you. Some people do it, some people don't. I recommend, if you have the money, go out there, get a label printer. But if you don't have one, don't worry. Worst case, you can just pay Amazon 30 cents per unit to label all these products for you. So once you have all these products listed on your Amazon Seller Central account, you have all the products labeled, we are now ready to see where we're supposed to send these products to. What Amazon will do is they'll generate you guys a shipment, and they'll tell you which Amazon warehouses each and every one of your products going to. Some products will be sent to one warehouse location, some will be sent to another. So it's gonna be your job to separate the items, place them with the correct shipments. Great thing about Amazon is they have very steeply discounted shipping rates with like UPS. So essentially what we're going to be doing is we're going to be packaging up all of our products that are going to go to different warehouses, and we're going to be buying our shipping through the Amazon Seller Central. And that's basically it. Once we have our shipments made, all of our products are packaged up, ready to go to whichever warehouse Amazon wants us to send them to. We then send them off to Amazon, go drop them off at the UPS store, wherever we're shipping them from. That is it. And essentially all we got to do is wait for our products to arrive to the Amazon FBA fulfillment centers, wait till they go active, and when they start selling, we just got to manage them, reprice them, check, make sure everything's on the up and up. But essentially that's basically how it works. We're going to big box stores, we got the Amazon Sellers app, we're going in, scanning a bunch of products, finding an arbitrage where, hey, we can buy this for $5, sell it for 20 on Amazon, and profit in between. To give you guys some extra tips, some great places to find products if you're a beginner is going to be places like thrift stores. You can sell used books. Another great place to go to is like Walmart or Target, Home Depot. There's a lot of people that sell different bra brands that you can source from Ross or wherever it might be. You just want to find brands that you're going to be ungated in. It's kind of hard for me to tell you guys which brands because I haven't been a new seller for so long. I can't tell you what's going to be gated for you, what's not. But just go out there, scan as much stuff as possible, learn the game, and I promise you, you will start getting ungated and more stuff the more you keep selling. Typically, Amazon wants you to build up some sellers' feedback experience so they know, hey, this person's a legit seller, because you have to think in Amazon shoes, they're not gonna just let every random person go and sell Nike or all these Nerf toy brands of, hey, you know, people might be counterfeiting stuff, they can just hop on our platform and start selling. It doesn't work like that. So essentially you have to build trust with them in order to start getting more leverage. But that's gonna wrap it up, guys. That is retail arbitrage. Hopefully that gave you a good idea of how this works. Again, just open up an Amazon Sellers account, download that Sellers app, and get out there and start scanning products. If you guys want a more step-by-step video for you new beginners out there, hey, how do I go into Amazon Seller Central? How do I list a product? How do I label it? I'd be more than happy to make a video for you guys, so just leave me a comment down below. But other than that, guys, that's gonna wrap this video up. Again, if you're new, be sure to join our free Facebook group, link in the description. Ask as many questions as you like. There's a ton of us in that group that are happy to help. Also, if you haven't already, be sure to hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, and I'll see you guys on the next video.